On quiet June nights in 2026, the sky becomes more than just a backdrop above our heads. It turns into a moving canvas of light, motion, and rare celestial beauty. This is a month where space feels closer, where the universe puts on a show designed for anyone willing to look up and pause for a moment. June brings some of the most graceful sky events of the year, starting with planetary alignments that make bright worlds appear to gather in the same region of the sky. Venus, often called the evening jewel, shines with an almost unshakable brilliance after sunset, while Mars adds a subtle reddish glow nearby. These moments create the illusion that the planets are quietly meeting in space, even though they are separated by millions of kilometers. For observers on Earth, it feels like watching a cosmic conversation unfold. As the month progresses, the moon takes center stage in different phases. Its changing shape becomes a guide across the sky, passing close to bright stars and planets. Forming stunning conjunctions, on certain nights, the moon appears to brush past Jupiter or Saturn, creating a striking visual pairing that can be seen with the naked eye. These encounters remind us how constantly everything in space is in motion, even when the sky seems still. June also carries the early whispers of meteor activity. Although not the peak season for meteor showers, faint streaks of light occasionally cross the darkness, especially in the pre-dawn hours. These meteors are tiny fragments of cosmic debris burning up in Earth's atmosphere, lasting only seconds, but leaving behind unforgettable impressions. In addition, the Milky Way begins to reveal itself more clearly in darker rural skies. As summer deepens in the northern hemisphere, the dense, glowing band of our galaxy stretches across the sky like a river of starlight. It is one of the most breathtaking sights available to the human eye without any equipment. What makes June 2026 truly special is not just a single event, but the combination of many subtle wonders occurring together: planets, moon phases, faint meteors, and the galaxy itself all contribute to a living sky that changes night by night. All it takes is a clear evening, a little patience, and the willingness to look upward. In return, the sky offers a reminder that we are part of something vast, ancient, and endlessly beautiful. Planetary alignments in June 2026 Venus, Mars, and other planets appear close together in the night sky, creating a rare and beautiful visual effect. June 2026 is expected to offer a rare and beautiful arrangement of planets in the night sky, creating moments that feel almost like a carefully designed cosmic display. As the sun sets and twilight deepens, Venus becomes one of the brightest objects visible, shining with a steady silvery light in the western sky. Its brilliance makes it easy to spot even from cities, where light pollution usually hides many celestial details. Nearby, Mars appears as a softer, reddish point, adding contrast to Venus's intense glow. On certain evenings, other planets such as Jupiter or Mercury may also become visible depending on timing and horizon conditions, giving the impression that several worlds are gathered in the same region of space. This alignment is not a physical clustering of planets, but rather a line of sight effect from Earth, where distant planetary orbits momentarily place them in similar directions in the sky. For observers, this creates a powerful visual experience, as the sky feels organized and meaningful, almost like a map of moving lights. Watching these alignments slowly change night after night also reveals the motion of planets, reminding us that the solar system is constantly shifting even when it appears calm. Moons changing phases and conjunctions. Forward, the moon moves across the sky, forming stunning pairings with bright planets like Jupiter and Saturn. The moon plays a central and mesmerizing role in the June 2026 night sky, constantly shifting its shape and position as it travels around Earth. Its cycle of phases from a thin crescent to a bright full disk and back again creates a natural rhythm that guides skywatchers through the month. During this time, the moon often passes close to bright planets, such as Jupiter and Saturn, producing striking conjunctions where two luminous objects appear side by side in the sky. These moments are especially captivating because they can be seen without any equipment, offering a simple yet powerful connection to the universe. On some nights, the moon may even seem to approach a planet, gradually moving past it over several hours, which clearly shows its rapid motion compared to the distant stars. The brightness of the moon can also transform the night landscape, casting soft shadows and illuminating clouds with a silver glow. In rural areas, this light enhances the beauty of the surroundings, while in cities it can outshine many stars, leaving only the brightest objects visible. Beyond its beauty, the moon's predictable cycle has guided humans for thousands of years, influencing calendars, navigation, and cultural traditions. In June 2026, its presence becomes a living reminder of the harmony and motion within our cosmic neighborhood. Early meteor activity. Occasional meteors streak across the sky, especially in pre-dawn hours, caused by cosmic debris burning in Earth's atmosphere. Although June is not known for a major peak meteor shower, the night sky in June 2026 still offers subtle and fascinating meteor activity that rewards patient observers. These meteors are tiny fragments of rock and dust left behind by comets or asteroids. And when Earth passes through these streams, some of that debris enters the atmosphere at extremely high speed. As they collide with air particles, they heat up and burn, producing brief but bright streaks of light known as shooting stars. In June, these meteors tend to appear sporadically rather than in large numbers, which makes each sighting feel special and unexpected. The best time to observe them is usually in the early morning hours before sunrise, when the side of Earth you are on is facing forward into the direction of travel, increasing the chance of encounters with space particles. In darker rural skies away from city lights, even faint meteors can be seen clearly, leaving short, glowing trails that disappear within seconds. Some may flash brightly for a moment, while others are so quick they can be missed if you are not watching carefully. Even though they are small and short-lived, these meteors create a powerful emotional impact, reminding observers that space is full of constant motion and invisible streams of ancient cosmic material crossing Earth's path. Visibility of the Milky Way. In darker rural areas, the Milky Way becomes more visible as a glowing band of starlight across the sky. As June 2026 unfolds, one of the most breathtaking sights for skywatchers is the gradual reveal of the Milky Way across the night sky. In the darker regions away from city lights, the sky transforms into a vast dome filled with countless stars. And through this dense star field runs a glowing, cloudy band of light. This is the Milky Way, the galaxy that contains our solar system, seen from the inside looking outward. During June nights in the northern hemisphere, it begins to rise higher in the sky after midnight, becoming more visible as the night deepens and artificial light fades. Its appearance is not uniform. Instead, it shows bright patches, dark dust lanes, and subtle variations in glow, giving it a textured and almost river-like structure. To the naked eye, it may look like a faint mist, but under truly dark skies, it becomes strikingly vivid and detailed. The region toward the center of the galaxy, in the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, appears especially rich and luminous. Observing the Milky Way creates a powerful sense of scale, as it represents hundreds of billions of stars bound together by gravity. In June 2026, its visibility serves as a reminder of the immense structure of our cosmic home and our small place within it. Combined celestial beauty of June. The month is special because multiple sky events happen together, creating a continuously changing and magical night sky experience. What makes the sky events of June 2026 truly unforgettable is not a single dramatic phenomenon, but the way multiple subtle celestial changes come together to create a living, evolving night sky. Each night offers something slightly different. As planets shift their positions, the moon moves through its phases, and the stars rise and set with quiet precision. This constant motion gives the impression that the sky is never the same twice, even when it appears calm at first glance. On some evenings, Venus may dominate the western horizon with its intense glow, while on others the moon becomes the main focus as it passes near bright planets. Or, thin clouds drift across its face. At the same time, faint meteors occasionally streak across the darkness, adding brief flashes of movement that contrast with the steady shine of stars. In the background, the Milky Way slowly becomes more visible as night deepens, stretching across the sky like a vast river of light. These combined elements create a layered experience where different celestial events overlap and interact visually. For observers on Earth, this harmony of motion and light produces a sense of connection to the wider universe, turning ordinary nights in June into moments of quiet wonder and reflection.